Let's move on to item proposal, create, change, display, list, master data. So we can be having all these T codes here to create the item proposal, VA51, VA52, VA53, and the list of materials, list by the item proposal materials, list by material. You can see in the VA55. Any proposal, so while you are creating, you will be having your material, you will be having your customer, and the validity periods, respective quantities, you will give over there. So within the templates. And this is how you create the item proposal. Let's move on to the system and create one item proposal. Then let's move on to item proposal configuration perspective. Anything you can use here. What do we do the configuration? Configuration, the standard order type. So system configuration is a PV. We'll customize it and then move on with how do we proceed it. Let's go on to the system. And before that one, you can see here, let's go through this configuration. Define item proposal types. So you'll go there and create one of the item proposal type. Then assign item proposal to sales document types. Set up copy control, the document control that is, and define default values. Move on to the system. I'll go to the configuration. Go to sales and distribution. So here you will be having basic functions, master data, and all that stuff. And here in the master data, item proposal, business partners, and these, all these CMIR will come in the master data. Item proposals, I'm going here, and two configurations are there here. So define item proposal type. And the same T code you can see here, VOV8. It's the same one. Directly, let's take PV and create the customized one. PV1 already created, then PV2 I'll put it. Fine, that's fine. Then click on copy. Do you want to copy control and all these things? It is also relevant for the copy control. GPV2, yes. Fine, save. T184 table. Fine. Now go to ZPV2 inside and check some controls over here. SD document category D is nothing but item proposal like our inquiry quotation order. And we will be having just so number range 11 is there, screen increment is a normal thing. And what are all the other information you have? You see screen sequence group is a product proposal, unlike order. So there is a different screen, and the incompletion procedure, validity dates, and all those are needed. You can go if you have incompletion procedure. So that lesson. Then transaction group 5 is the, so how do you transact it? This is 5 item proposal. What it is speaking about transaction level, control certain characteristics of transaction according to the sales document type. Procedure, this one T180 is fine, and the types of sales document you can process with the certain system transaction sales processing. It's fine. Now, this is the information, and the rest of things, if you see anything is there, nothing, right? So proposed delivery date is the unlike common. That's okay. Let's save it. This is ZPV, and you have the common distribution channels. Divisions, reference sales organization. You can go to OVAZ and maintain it. Now, if you go to the number range for item proposal, 11 and 12 you have seen, right? This 11, 5 series, external 55 series. So we are getting already 5 series. Earlier we have seen that you can create if you want to a customized one. Then, so with ZPV, let's go and create Okay, ZPV2 or 1. Okay, so created description, customer item proposal, ZPV2 for example. Okay, I'm giving my validity periods 22 to, for example, all date, whatever the date, and same materials, one material or two materials I will take. That's fine. Okay, this is 20 quantity, and this time this also 20 quantity. Just to categorize it, same. I got 5 all zeros 5. Let's go to BP now. This time I will change for this guy 5 all zeros 5. Let's check. Do the testing. War and same customer I am taking, and this time this is ZPV2 just for reference, and I don't have any materials here. Let's go to proposal, and this is 5 because this customer we have assigned. It is pulling from where? There, and 5 created where? In the ZPV2. So whatever the customized, you can take PV1, PV2, everything is same. Okay, so you create one customized, and you will be fine with that one. And earlier we have seen, okay, so with quantity, without quantity selection list in the same sales order. So I will just test it. Okay, so this is a 1. Again, I will go here and default with quantity. Earlier is without quantity. Here without quantity you have seen. Here with quantity you are seeing. And the selection list level, I would like to just pick up only. So one item with quantity, 10 quantity, copy material, copy quantities. Okay, so this is a way all the 3 scenarios just I have tested within the same sales order, and go to edit in completion log. Then let me, okay, nothing is there, it's fine. Then so save it. No, is there? Quantities we have not maintained for first series, right? Yeah, let me put 10, then 10. That's fine. Okay, now I will accept. That's fine. Then save. We have completed the customized scenario also with a ZPV, and that is not mandatory, but okay, so whenever it is needed, definitely okay, you can go ahead with that one. And all these scenarios we have done. To make it summarize, just to go to your standard proposals. We made the definition, and we have done the purpose. It's frequently ordered material, same kind of buying behavior from the customer. Okay, so you can go ahead with this. And business scenario examples we have seen, and the process flow if you see, then we have created our product proposal or item proposal. Then okay, so we assign the number ranges, so that already standard we have taken the number ranges specific, and that the proposal document which we have created, that we have assigned in the sales area data of the BP. And then so utilizing item proposal is nothing but okay, so all these 3 scenarios we have created, and you can do the modify within the item proposal or in the sales order, so wherever it is needed. And customized one, we have done the configuration about PV in the Vivo V8. You have created your new one and created and used that and created your item proposal. Okay, so this is the overall stuff. And the scenarios perspective, so here if you see creating and saving the item proposal, we have created proposal in the sales order used and modified the modification within the sales order or item proposal we have done. Okay, the list level also one of the area you can see here, VA55, right? Let me go to VA55. My material is this, and is there anything for this proposal, right? And I can go ahead and how many proposals are there, and I can see there. That's fine. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay connected for future videos.